Okay, this is the continuation for our blood content. Okay, we need to take this. Okay. We update and up for spare bus, so we can go early also. Okay. So we test inside. Oh, small bag. It's small bag. Oh, it's okay. It's okay. It's okay. It's exactly only. It's almost right. Okay. So this is the second laptop. Okay. For now, just to test inside because I'm bored. I want to make busy. Okay. So money is not important. Important. We go to church every Sunday. Forget everything except him. Okay. That's the most important in life. Not this material thing. Okay. It's only a temporary for our life. So we're gonna go inside. Okay. We're gonna go inside. Okay. Just to test this. My new phone. I mean new cell phone. Instead I buy a expensive phone. Okay. So I buy this money to buying a new another vehicle, but for now we can wait. Okay. We go inside just to open this a little bit. Okay. We are in the parking lot at Canada, Saskatchewan for testing this. Okay. So you have time to yourself and relaxing. That's the most important. Enjoy life. So after unboxing, exit. Just to testing. Another laptop. Ang ina mo. Ibang susi na ako.
Kaya pala sa opisina pala.
Siyempre.
Bigay hindi tumatanggap ng mga kachat-kachat ka dyan.
Bukas ha? Bukas.
Saan?
Bukas.
Saan?
Linggo bukas ha? Hindi ka tutugtog?
Kita tayo.
Wala ka tutugtog? Hindi ka tutugtog?
Huli-huli ka naman lagi.
Siyempre, ganun talaga.
Bigay ng biyaya ko.
Ganun talaga.
Bigay ng biyaya.
Oo, ganun talaga. Laging huli. Hirap na laging una.
Grabe, ganda yung laptop ko dyan ah.
Hindi naman.
Bagong bilhin, bagong bilhin.
Hindi, luma na yan.
Social ka talaga, mga
Siyempre,
social.
ayaw ko na maingay kasi. Hindi ko lang maisara eh. Hindi kasi sa akin to eh. Hindi ko lang maisara eh.
Babayad ka ba dito?
Walang bayad dyan. Subukan na lang magbabayad, alis ako. Siyempre, bayad eh. Bayad. Doon tayo sa pre. Hindi, baka may gumayan ako. Sige na. Bukas ha? Huwag kang mawawala. Mawala na lahat. Huwag na tayong dalawa. Okay guys, that's all. So subscribe and click the notification bell for upcoming latest video to my YouTube channel. Just how to unboxing and set up the new laptop for the day. Okay, see you guys. Subscribe and click the notification bell for upcoming latest video to my YouTube channel. That's all guys.